If you've been struggling with stubborn nail fungus and came across FungiClear Phrena promising to eliminate fungus at the root in just weeks, you're not alone, but before you spend your money, you need to hear this. FungiClear by Phrena is advertised as a powerful nail fungus solution that supposedly penetrates deep under the nail, was developed by podiatrists and dermatologists, and delivers visible results fast, supported by dramatic before and after images. However, once you look beyond the marketing, several serious concerns start to surface. The so-called dermatologist endorsements cannot be verified through any professional registry, and no real credentials or clinical backgrounds are provided. Many customer reviews appear duplicated across unrelated products, suggesting they may be imported or fabricated rather than genuine user experiences. The before and after photos used to promote FungiClear Phrena also raise red flags, as similar images can be found on stock photo sites, other fungal products, or appear digitally enhanced. Most importantly, there is no published clinical trial, peer-reviewed research, or independent medical evidence showing that this product can actually cure nail fungus at the root, despite the strong claims being made. Another issue is pricing nearly identical nail fungus solutions with the same ingredients and packaging style are widely available on Chinese marketplaces for a fraction of the cost, sometimes as low as $1 to $5, which raises questions about rebranding and dropshipping practices. As for results, some users may report temporary cosmetic improvement in nail appearance, which can happen with many topical solutions, but that does not necessarily mean the fungus itself is eliminated. Overall, FungiClear Phrena relies heavily on aggressive marketing and emotional pain points rather than transparent medical proof. So buyers should approach with caution, manage expectations realistically, and consider consulting a qualified healthcare professional before using any product that makes such bold claims.